In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to offset carousels with a half slider effect in WordPress Elementor. If you've ever seen those modern websites where the next slide slightly peeks in from the side, giving that smooth, premium look, that's called a half slider or offset carousel. In Elementor Pro, this is built in, but if you're using Elementor Free, you've probably noticed there's no offset button inside the default image carousel widget. Don't worry, because in this tutorial, I'll show you a completely free way to achieve that same professional effect step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let's get started. So first, we need to install a free plugin that gives us more advanced carousel controls. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Unlimited Elements. You'll see the plugin called Unlimited Elements for Elementor. Go ahead and click Install, and once it's finished installing, click Activate. After activation, look at your WordPress sidebar and click on Unlimited Elements. Then go to the Widgets library. This is where you can enable additional widgets that work seamlessly with Elementor. Inside the Widgets library, use the search bar and type Content Carousel or Card Carousel. Either of these will work for creating that half slider effect. When you find the widget, hover over it and click Install to add it to your Elementor Widgets panel. Now that the widget is installed, open the page where you want to add the half slider effect and click Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor loads, search for the Content Carousel widget in the panel on the left. Drag and drop it into your section. Next, we're going to configure the offset effect. With the widget selected, go to the Content tab and open the Settings panel. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option called Offset Type. This setting allows you to control how the carousel is visually shifted. Set the offset type to right if you want the next slide to peek in from the right side. If you prefer the opposite direction, you can experiment with left, but most modern layouts use right. After selecting right, you'll see an option for offset number. This controls how much of the next slide is visible. Start with something like 100 pixels. As soon as you enter that value, you'll instantly see the effect applied on the screen. The current slide stays centered, and the next slide becomes partially visible on the right edge. The widget automatically handles the spacing and calculations, so you don't need any custom CSS or complicated container tricks. From here, you can continue customizing the carousel. You can adjust the number of slides shown, spacing between items, autoplay settings, navigation arrows, pagination dots, and responsive behavior for tablet and mobile. I highly recommend checking the responsive settings to make sure the half slider effect still looks clean on smaller screens. Sometimes you may want to reduce the offset number slightly on mobile devices, so the layout doesn't feel cramped. And that's it. You've successfully created a modern half-slider offset carousel in WordPress Elementor using a completely free solution. No Elementor Pro required and no custom code needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress and Elementor guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.